Staycation sa City of Dreams for as low as 7,400 pesos? Tara sa Hyatt Regency Manila! Kasamang breakfast buffet pa for 2 packs sa The Cafe. We book nga pala via Klook. And mas makakamura kayo pag gumamit kayo ng promo codes. So let's go! For the parking, hanapin nyo lang yung malaking bilog sa City of Dreams. May malaking parking sign sa entrance. Di nyo na kailangan maglakad kasi meron silang free shuttle service to your hotel and will drop you off sa entrance. 3 p.m. ang check-in time and 12 p.m. ang check-out. Very accommodating and mabait yung mga staff. They even gave us a free room upgrade to deluxe room after knowing na first timer kami sa hotel. Tara, room tour tayo. Syempre, bathroom ang una naming sinilip. Grabe, ang spacious at ang linis. Meron pa silang pa-bathtub. Ang ganda rin ng marble finish, nakakasosyal. At ang pinaka-importanteng bagay sa staycation, ang bidet test. All I can say is approved. Malakas pero hindi nakakapunit ng puwet. Let's go back to the room tour. The room is very big and our side is the pool view. So may pa-golden hour effect pa ang araw through the hotel windows. They have a large table where you can work and prepare. But I think masyadong mataas yung mirror at need tumayo para makita mo ang sarili mo. Now, sa bed test. Approved. Malambot at malinis yung mga sheets. Sarap matulog. Tara, halugugin natin ang kwarto. Meron pala silang blow dryer, vault, bathrobes, hangers, plancha sa mga cabinets. Ang ganda rin ng hotel sleepers, makapal at malambot. Meron din nga palang complimentary drinks and snacks. Sa shelves, may noodles and Pringles. Tapos sa ref, meron na rin kasamang soft drinks and beers. Tara, fast forward tayo sa umaga. We had our breakfast included sa package at The Cafe. Unang-una nyo makikita yung omelet station. Masarap din yung Filipino breakfast nila like adobo, bangus, mga sabaw at marami pang iba. They also have cereals, breads, and cheese. Syempre, di mo mawawala yung fruits. May pa-healthy shots pa sila. And lastly, ang ating favorite, ang French toast. Yummy! Kung gusto nyo masolo yung pool, pwede kayo mag-swimming ng maaga as early as 7 a.m. para makapag-photo ops pa kayo. And that's it! I hope nakahelp kami and kita-kits sa next staycation!